Hello everyone, and let's continue our some kind of educational video. And this video will be some kind of continue to our previous video. There we talk about how to use clutch control, throttle control and front brakes, yeah. And in this video we will be needed those knowledge also. And we will try to learn how to load our bike and how we can use that load to increase our traction and yeah, stuff like that. And in real life this kind of knowledge we can use basically everywhere. When we're crossing some kind of log, in hill climb, in some kind of bumps, ruts or something like that, we can use it everywhere basically. And let's start from basic thing, that is how we can load our suspension. That is very simple movement. Basically we need imagine that you want to push your bike through the ground. Use your body weight and try to push your bike through the ground as much as possible. It looks like that. So that is basic movement what we need to learn. After that we can add also throttle. In that moment when we start compress our bike, we need make some impulse with throttle. Short throttle opening. Not wide open of course, but I don't know, some 20% maybe. Yeah, we make some short throttle opening and we start open the throttle exact the same moment when we start to push our bike. And we release the throttle when bike start go back. When we start to get it right, we can add also clutch. We do everything the same, only we add a clutch. And we made some clutch impulse also. In that case we can get faster acceleration and more aggressive. And really important is timing. Bike compressing, throttle and clutch. That is really important, because if we are out of timing, then we can get opposite result. Then we can get even less grip on the rear tire if something is not in timing. When we get everything in the right timing, then we can add our back and basically our weight also. So when we compress our bike, we do everything the same. We make some throttle impulse and clutch impulse. In that moment we try to keep our bike down as long as possible, and at that moment we try to pull our handlebar and use your back a little bit and your arm force, pull your handlebar to yourself and your foot packs down. And that case you pretty easy can get up your bike to the wheelie. That movement we can use basically everywhere, on the log, on the hill climbs, on some bumps or ruts or something like that. That movement is really important. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel and see you next time.